Hi everyone, so just a quick view around the shop today. We have got loads of bits for Valentine's Day. We can make hampers, flower arrangements, whatever you would like. We've got all your perfumes, your aftershaves, all your little gifty bits as well. We've got all your Spanish in stock, all your softeners, your air fresheners, your toilet drops. We've got a massive delivery of Elegance tomorrow, and I mean it's massive. We run so low within the last couple of weeks. All your Nanuko in stock, all your Gotus, all your Tulipan, everything you're going to need for your cleaning bits. Also now we've got children's shoes in stock, and these little girls ones, these are leather as well. 20 quid, like absolute bargain. They're on our website. We've got a few sale items as well still left. So I've got one sale rail here. All of that is on the sale rail online. We've got new lines. Look at this dress. How beautiful is this dress? It is stunning, especially for holiday season. We've got your new two pieces as well in these, and you've got them in black and white. We've got one left of the beige outfit. We've got, oh my God, we've got some lovely bits in. We've got this one as well. This is beautiful. I've only got two left in this. I've got a black and a white. We've got the bits for holiday. We've got these tie-ups. These are beautiful. How lovely are these? Over your cosy, over your bikini. Absolutely stunning. Pop that on there for a minute. We've got these as well. These are only £10. Absolute bargain line. We've got different colours. So we've got the white and black, the orange with the white, the beige and the white, and we've also got the black and white in that. And then we've got the plain ones as well. So we've got green, pink, orange and white in them. That's that dress. Then we've also got these tracksuits back in stock. The ones with the capped arm. So we've got loads of different colours in them. So these are all your colours in that. And we've even got a baby blue. It's beautiful. We've got green, grey. We've got khaki. We've got loads of colours. Also, we've got this little stunning outfit. So we've got the dogtooth trousers with the little top as well with the gold buttons. We've also got that in another colour. We've got it in the beige with the cream cardigan. We've got the lovely straight leg jeans with the little tank tops. These come in many colours. They look absolutely stunning with those trousers. Love, love, love. These are another little outfit. These are really lovely. These come in many colours as well. So we've got like the cream, we've got the coffee, we've got the baby blue, and also we've got like a plum. That's really lovely. And we've got a couple of black left in those as well. So everyone that wanted those, we've got these back in stock. Oh my God, look at the children's area. We have so many nice things. So we have got all your swimming shorts. We've got all your bikinis, and we've even got your throws to go over the top. And these are really lovely and thick, lovely material. So they're your, like your beach towel to go over your top of your little cozies, and like they're amazing. We've even got to match as well. So if you've got little ones and you want to match him, we can do matching. We've got loads of little boys' outfits as well in stock, new ones, shorts and t-shirt sets. Lovely, lovely. We have them in many of colours as well. So we've got the cream and the white. We've got the baby blue as well. We've got this style. Oh God, there's so many things on here. We're getting all caught up. We've got the black with the little shorts. We've got the beige. Also, we've got the girls' dresses to match these ones. So if you want them to match as well for holiday, we have got them. We've got it in baby blue. These are beautiful material. They're such a soft cotton. Oh my God, we've got so much to show you. The little shirts and the shorts. We are literally fully stocked. We've got shorts, we've got t-shirts in the little tracking materials, which are ultra, 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 ultra soft. Look at that material. Beautiful. Then we have got all your little girls' bits. So, look at these little shirts. How lovely is that? Look at them, they're lovely. We've got all your leggings in. You know you wanted your leggings? We've got them all in. We've got... Oh, I'm knocking everything off here. We've got shorts and T-shirts with the puff arms. I'm no good at this. I need an assistant. So we've got the shorts and T-shirts for the kiddies. Also, if you want your little ones to match your outfit, mums, we have got the girls' little outfits to match. So they match the bigger ones, which we've got down there. We have got the little girls' dresses to also match the little boys. We have got the baby tracksuits as well, the little velour ones. Oh, I know, I love this. How cute is this little outfit? Look at the bows on it. And look at the leggings. They're so tiny. So cute as well. Loving these jeans. I think I can try and squeeze my bum in a pair of them. I love them. And then we've got the little girls' tops, the little ruffles, and the diamante bows. And look at the back. They're absolutely stunning. More leggings. Oh my God, look, we've got the actual outfits as well to match the bikinis and stuff. Beautiful, beautiful. We're going boho. I've got boho as well. These come with the shorts. These are beautiful. We have got... Oh, what else have we got here? We've got so much stuff. So much. Right, let's chuck that up there a minute. I'm knocking everything off.